Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of RM Cookbook. Hope you all been well. Today we have a special recipe for Alumnus Guy. Alumnus Guy has asked us to prepare another food recipe for our channel. All of you actually have liked our papaya smoothie quite a lot, so we thought that we just prepare this apple, lemon and ginger smoothie for you. It's again a very good recipe for your digestion and stomach health, and also for immune system. So here we'll be using 4 apples, 1 lemon and a ginger, as you have seen. And all we're doing over here is just washing them properly and going to prepare them for our food processor. So depending on the type of food processor or a blender which you will be using for, if you are to prepare this, make sure the pieces are cut accordingly, otherwise it might actually get to your device. So all we're doing over here is just cutting the apples into pieces and taking the seeds out the way you have seen over here, but we are leaving the skin on, but we are taking the skin of the ginger off. And with regards to the lemon, we'll be cutting the lemon into halves and take the seeds out, because if you leave the seeds on and it ends up into your juice or your smoothie, it's going to leave you a bitter taste. So just a bit of a background, this juice is really good in the morning first thing, and if you have it, you will see that you get this extra kick of energy from the ginger which you get, and the lemon is just full of vitality, vitamin C and all the lemon goodness. So all we're doing over here is just going to put this stuff one at a time into our food processor and process it, juice it out, and we will do the lemon right at the end, because the lemon will help balance out the taste of the sweet taste of the apple, and the ginger of, the zinginess of the ginger which you get from it. And that's basically it, and this is ready for serving. And so hope you give this recipe a try. Let us know what you think is the best juice for our digestion system or boosting immune system in the comment section. And as usual, till the next time, take care.